like I said, man, this is the box, the big old box it came in. So like I said, it come with this adhesive stuff for you to put on it, so everything will dry on there, you know what I'm saying? And you just glue it to your actual dash so it won't really come up. But like I said, man, this is it. This is the full dash overlay. And like I said, it's the same thing as what I got for my Cutlass, you know what I'm saying? Literally the same thing. Trying to get these cars look really presentable, you feel me? Somebody look in the interior, they don't really see nothing bad, nothing messed up. So once we get this in, one of the last things I really got to do to that interior of the box Chevy will be that door panel. Feel me? To kind of hide this, because look how bad that one is. That one is pretty bad. Split off, dry rotted, and faded. You feel me? That's why, like I said, that's why they're having this stuff here. You feel me? Not only for the books and stuff, because it looked pretty cool, but also to hide these cracks. Look at that. What's up, guys? It's your boy Deuce back with another video, and y'all see the title, y'all seen the thumbnail, y'all seen the big box in the thumbnail, you know what I'm saying? I finally got my dash cover overlay, or cover lay, whatever you want to call it, you know what I'm saying? I finally got it in the mail. It's finally here, and honestly it didn't take that long. It took like 4 days, maybe, I think 3-4 days, somewhere around there, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, we finally finna be, well, not this video, I'm gonna show it to y'all, this video, then probably the video after the next one, I'm gonna go ahead and install it, you know what I'm saying? So we got the new dash cover overlay, and if y'all look and see my dash, my top of the dash, I should say, it's like dry rotted, you know what I'm saying, split and cracked, and it's sun damaged, you know. It ain't the right blue no more. It ain't that factory blue. It's a little sun damaged. So went ahead and got an overlay instead of ordering, because people online, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, people been selling these pieces for like $500. You feel me? It's not worth it. I just get an overlay and put the overlay on it, you know what I'm saying, and it'll cover it up, you feel me? So it shouldn't be nothing I'm gonna have to paint on this factory one. It should just go right on, literally cover everything up, you know. So yeah, man, like I said, y'all look right there, that big old box, man, that big old box, and y'all see it say cover lay on it. And I went ahead, they had a really light blue and then a really dark blue. They didn't have no blue in between, so I mean, I can always paint it if I want to, but man, I'm gonna just leave it how it is, you know. I ain't gonna even touch it. And the one I ordered, it's a darker blue, it's not the lighter blue, because I felt like that lighter blue would have been way too light, you feel me? This car is really a darker blue, you feel me? Look at my headliner, door panels, the lower trim, it's a darker blue, it's not the brighter blue. So I didn't need to get that lighter blue and it mess up everything with the color wise in this car. So yeah, man, like I said, this video I'm just gonna be showing it to y'all. Then the video after the next, we're gonna be installing it, which it shouldn't be nothing to installing. It should just be literally putting it on here, you know what I'm saying? Or maybe I gotta take this one out and then put it on top and then put them both back in, you know. But yeah, honestly, I don't know yet. I haven't really seen no videos of nobody really doing this, but if y'all was wondering where I got this from, I got it from partsgeek.com, all one word, partsgeek, partsgeek.com, you know what I'm saying, partsgeek. And like I said, it took like 3 days, and after tax shipping, and the price was about $160, give or take, $160, you know what I'm saying, which is the cheapest shipping I can find, you know. Which, like I said, I don't want to cheat my way out of none of this stuff, but every site was selling the exact same thing for the same price. It's just each site shipping was different, you know. The same prices for every site, except, like I said, the shipping was just different costs on each site, you know. And y'all know my window regulator for the rear is supposed to be coming in, should get in tomorrow, so y'all stay on the lookout for that video. Then I will be sort of finished, you know what I'm saying. I can start driving my car again. Like I said, I don't want to drive the car because I don't want that window to fall down, crack, and break, and you feel me, it's being held up by tape right now. So yeah, man, I don't even want to risk it. But yeah, man, I'm finna get out. We finna go do a quick little review on this. I've already opened the box, not gonna lie to y'all, because I needed to make sure it was the right color and I didn't have to send it right back while the send it right back to the FedEx store, or take it to the FedEx store and they ship it back off, and then I get a different color, you know what I'm saying? So I had to make sure it's the right color, and it wasn't black that they sent me. But this blue is really, really dark. It's a lot darker than I was expecting, you know, really, really dark. But you feel me, it is what it is. The only blue they had, like I said, light blue, dark blue, so I didn't have a choice really. So like I said, if I want to, I can paint this thing too. It ain't really gonna be nothing to paint it. But I'm not gonna paint it. I'm gonna leave it how it is, you feel me? So make sure y'all hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to auto, y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel, share these videos, keep growing and elevating together, and I'll catch y'all in a second once we get outside. All right, y'all, so man, y'all heard how bad these cicadas are, bro. They are so loud, but you know, I need to record this, I need to get this done. So like I said, man, this is the box, the big old box that came in. And this is why shipping was so much, you feel me, because of the big old box. Now this box itself is way heavier than my entire Cutlass dash overlay, whatever you want to call it, you know what I'm saying? This one box is heavier than all of that, and it's packed really well too, so I can't even lie. It's packed really well. Hold on, gotta try and bend this back. There we go. And you feel me, I'm finna throw this box away today anyways, because like I told y'all, we finna go ahead and install this dash overlay. Not the next video, but probably the video after that, you know what I'm saying? So like I said, I already opened it, so y'all see it's like somewhere out of the plastic right now. But man, they put a whole bunch of protection in this thing, so I guess nothing to crack, break, or you feel me, none of that stuff, you know? So a lot of these. But yeah, man, we go ahead and get it out. Y'all look at it. It's a very, on camera it looks black, but it's a very, very dark blue. But this is the part number and everything, if y'all was wondering. This is it, the part number. Dash cover 77 to 90 Caprice Impala outside overlay, you know what I'm saying? Oh, the sun out, maybe y'all could, I mean, a little bit, y'all could tell a little bit, but bro, this blue is very dark. It's a lot darker than I was expecting, like I was telling y'all, man. But like I said, man, this is just the cover lay, and also they sold the one, because if y'all look here, I got the speaker, ooh, almost fell. I got the speaker holes right here for mine, because my speaker holes are on this side, but they also sell the one where the speaker holes are not here, but in the middle, you know what I'm saying? But my box Chevy, my speaker holes are on the side, so that's why I got this one, you know, because it's the right one. But like I said, they also sell the ones with the speaker hole in the middle and not the sides, you feel me? So yeah, man, one of the first things I need to go ahead and do is pull this out of the box, and the sun is starting to beam down. But let me sit y'all there real quick while I undo this and make sure nothing else is in this box. All this bubble bags and everything, bro. This is crazy. Ain't nothing else in the box. And the only thing in here is adhesive glue, which I don't even know if I'm gonna use right now. You know, I just really want to stick it on there. I don't want to glue it to it yet. 5224, I don't know what that is. But yeah, put this here. So I'm also thinking about ordering that carpet, you feel me, the carpet overlay as well. So I'm thinking about ordering that just to see, well, really just to give it a little more contrast and a little more protection, you know what I'm saying? But this is it. Warranty, color manufacturing, warranties, all of these products to be free of defects and workmanship and material. So I have 30 days to send it back if I really want to, but I'm not gonna send it back, you feel me? So yeah, that's the paper it came with. Like I said, I'm gonna be throwing this box away. I don't need this bottom. Big old box. But in the bag, but also we open it up. Alright. So like I said, come with this adhesive stuff for you to put on it, so everything will dry on there, you know what I'm saying? And you just glue it to your actual dash so it won't really come up. But like I said, man, this is it. This is the full dash overlay. And like I said, it's the same thing as what I got for my Cutlass, you know what I'm saying? Literally the same thing. And like I said, if I want to paint it, I can, you feel me? But I'm not gonna paint this. I'm gonna just leave it this dark blue. See if I can sit in the sun and y'all get a better image of how it looks. So I don't know if y'all can really, man, looking right here with me through the camera, I can't really tell that it's blue. It look more black, sort of blue, but it's a really, really dark blue, you know what I'm saying? So this is it in one frame. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Y'all give me y'all opinions on it. I like it, you know what I'm saying? And I can't wait to really get it inside of the car, cover up all those cracks on the dash. And like I said, man, we pulling out all the stops for these cars, you know, trying to get these cars look really presentable. You feel me? Somebody looking at the interior, they don't really see nothing bad, nothing messed up. So once we get this in, one of the last things I really got to do to that interior of the box Chevy will be that door panel. You feel me? Try to wrap the top half if I can. If not, you feel me? I'm just going to figure out something else to do with them door panels, all 4 of them, if I can't just get that one right, you know? But yeah, man, another step crossed off for the box Chevy's interior. We got the overlay. And like I told you, I was gonna wait. Hold on, let me take a seat, man. But like I said, man, I was gonna wait until the end of the month to do that because, you feel me, I keep track of my money better spending money at the end of the month and the beginning of the month, you know what I'm saying? But I just went ahead and ordered it, you know. Ain't no need of me keep waiting to order this thing. It was time for me to just go ahead and do it, you know. I just needed to go ahead and get it out the way. So we got it out the way. We got the new dash now, or overlay, I should say, the new dash overlay. I was not spending $500 on a used dash, you feel me? Because they don't make them brand new anymore. So the only thing they make brand new is these overlays. So I was not spending $500 on a used dash that possibly could be cracked, you know what I'm saying? Or get damaged shipping. I'm not doing that. So yeah, I just went ahead and got this overlay. I mean, I saved money, but it also looks better, you know what I'm saying? So, and it's a good color. It's a dark blue, which is matching my interior, you feel me? So yeah, man, like I said, man, y'all let me know what y'all think about it. Leave me y'all opinions in the comment. Oh, now y'all can kind of see the blue. Like I said, it's a really, really dark blue, really, really dark blue. But man, I'm loving it. Oh, where's my phone? Dang it, left my phone. I need to take an extra picture of this so I have it. But man, y'all heard them cicadas, bro. They've been so bad so far, and the news says they just gonna keep getting worse and worse. You feel me? But man, I'm sorry if it's too loud for y'all, but I needed to record this, you know. And it ain't gonna get no better this summer. See, we're going to shade. It's really dark, but I don't want to keep sitting in the sun. See, it got hot already, just sitting in that sun. But yeah, man, I'm super excited to throw this in the car. Not the next video, but the video after that, we will be putting this in the car. And I'm not gonna glue it down yet, cause you feel me. I don't know. I'm gonna glue it down later on though. I'm not gonna glue it down right now. You feel me? But we will glue it down later on. And my Cutlass came with this same glue bottle, so I have 2 of them now. But yeah, man, like I said, if y'all was wondering where I got it from, partsgeek.com, and it was about $160 after tax shipping and the price of it, you know. And it came in like 3-4 days, you feel me? Max 5 days, you feel me? But came in pretty quick and pretty good, and none is damaged. Everything is good. We done went over it. It's got side pieces on it as well, so it will cover up the sides. My speaker hose, and like I said, if y'all don't want these speaker hose, they also have the speaker hose for the middle, if that's what your car has. But my car has the speaker hose on the side, so it gave me one. And like I said, it goes all the way over. On the back, it's black, but like I said, it's a really dark blue, but it's the only blue that will really go with my interior. So yeah, man, I got this in. I'm finna be ordering some little carpet. I was gonna order a whole new carpet for that car, but I don't think they have the right blue that I need. You feel me? It's a dark blue, kind of like this dash. But so I'm not gonna order a whole new carpet. For real, ain't nothing really wrong with that carpet. It's just, you feel me, a little faded. So I'm gonna get these little carpet pieces, some blue carpet mats, and we're gonna put the mats in the car, you know what I'm saying? Some blue ones, and it's gonna be a dark blue. Hopefully it matches this dash overlay. If not, then it'll be all right. You feel me? They only $20 too, so I don't mind them getting dirty. If I need to get another one, I will. So I'm gonna be ordering them real soon as well. But man, other than that, man, it's gonna be really the end of this one. I'm gonna catch y'all in a second for the outro. Y'all let me know y'all opinions on this dash. Let me know what y'all think about it, how y'all feel about it, and would y'all get one? You know what I'm saying? If y'all need one, I told y'all where to get it from. Go ahead and get it. You feel me? In my opinion, I really like it, and I can't wait to see it in the car. We will be throwing it in the car today. Not this video, but today I will be, you feel me, recording another video, putting this in the car. I want to show y'all this before I just went ahead and threw it in the car, you feel me, to get y'all opinion. So yeah, man, I'll catch y'all in a second for the outro. All right, y'all, so like I said, man, y'all leave y'all opinions in the comments down below. Let me know what y'all think about, you feel me, the new overlay for the Cutlass. I mean, Cutlass, man. I've been so focused on getting that car right for the box Chevy, you know what I'm saying? Now, I was thinking about changing my dash speakers in here because I got some little generic speakers in the dash, and I could put them 5.25s that I already ordered from Scar. I could put them in here, and that way the whole interior of this car be Scar, you feel me, and it'd be done. But I don't know yet. I'm gonna think about it. Maybe I'll do that later on. But yeah, man, like I said, y'all let me know y'all opinions of the dash overlay. I desperately need either a new dash or that overlay, and I'm glad I went ahead and just got the overlay, because for one, it saved me some bread, and for two, I don't know for two. But yeah, man, y'all let me know what y'all think. Y'all leave y'all opinions in the comments down below. I'm excited, man. I'm excited to put it on the car. Y'all see I got a crack there. That's why I've been having these papers up here, you feel me, to kind of hide this, because look how bad that one is. That one is pretty bad. Split off, dry rotted, and faded. You feel me? That's why, like I said, that's why I've been having this stuff here. You feel me? Not only for the books and stuff, because it looked pretty cool, but also to hide these cracks. Look at that. Look at that. So yeah, man, that's why I've been having that stuff there, like I said, to hide the cracks on the dash, because you feel me, I don't want people looking at them. I mean, even though this one is pretty noticeable still here, this one too, but the majority of it, you feel me, if I move this, boom, look at that, huge. But if I put that there, you only see them. So that's, like I said, that's why I've been having them books and this paper here. And not only is it car part, but it also is convenient to cover up the dash. So yeah, man, I desperately needed this, and I'm glad I went ahead and got it. I'm glad I stopped waiting, you know. And next thing I'm gonna be getting is that carport tent for the Cutlass, you know, since where the Cutlass is at is only under tarps and car covers to try and protect it, you feel me, from further rusting and water damage on the interior and stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that carport tent for the Cutlass, because it don't have no garage or at that house where the Cutlass is at. So get that carport tent, let it sit under there, and everything should be good, you feel me. Weather don't be as bad here. I mean, yeah, we get some windstorm sometime with rain and stuff, but it shouldn't tear up that tent too easily. I don't think it will, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna go ahead and get that later. I'm gonna do that for sure at the end of the month. I've already told myself I'm not ordering that now, or actually I gotta go to the store and get it, because they trying to charge $400 for shipping for that thing. I'm not doing that, you feel me? That's too much. I was gonna be spending $600 on that little tent, because it's $250 plus the plus tax, and then $400 for shipping, which is wild to me, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, like I said, we're not gonna be doing that till the end of the month. I'm gonna go to the store and actually get it, and if they don't have it, I'm gonna see if they'll place an order for me at the store, you feel me, and it get shipped to the store, and I won't have to pay for shipping, hopefully. So figure that out later on. But for now, dash cover overlay, like I said, we're gonna be installed at not the next video, but video after next. The next video I want to do, I'm not even gonna tell y'all just gotta stay tuned, you know what I'm saying? So make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell on auto, where y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel, share this video. Let's keep growing and elevating together. Keep God first and God bless. I love y'all, I appreciate y'all, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.